Hello, and welcome to Lesson 11 of our course on building a successful 3D printing business. In this lesson, we're going to explore the power of small batch production and how 3D printing can be a game changer for your entrepreneurial ventures. As you've already learned, 3D printing offers unparalleled flexibility and customization possibilities. But did you know that it can also be a highly effective tool for small batch manufacturing? That's right, 3D printing allows you to produce items in small quantities, catering to the unique needs and preferences of your customers. In today's fast-paced, on-demand economy, consumers are increasingly seeking personalized and unique products. 3D printing enables you to cater to this demand with ease. Whether it's custom-made figurines, personalized home decor, or limited edition accessories, small batch production with 3D printing can help you stand out from the competition. One of the key advantages of small batch production with 3D printing is the ability to quickly iterate and test new product ideas. Rather than investing in expensive molds or tooling, you can 3D print prototypes and test them with your customers. This allows you to gather valuable feedback, refine your designs, and bring the most successful products to market. Moreover, 3D printing eliminates the need for large, costly inventories. Instead, you can produce items on demand, reducing overhead costs and minimizing the risk of unsold stock. This agility and responsiveness to market demands can give your business a significant competitive edge. As we move forward in this course, you'll learn more about the practical aspects of small batch production, including 3D printing materials, design optimization, and quality control. You'll also discover strategies for marketing and selling your unique 3D printed products to a wider audience. So, are you ready to dive into the world of small batch production with 3D printing? I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming lessons. Together, we'll explore the limitless possibilities of this exciting technology and help you build a thriving 3D printing business.